everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my Porch Prints. Today we're going to be making this neutral ephemera wallet, and your kit may look a little bit different, but it should go together the same way. This is just a fun little kit for storing ephemera pieces, and the kit doesn't actually include pieces to put inside of it, but if you've got a kit already printed out, you could store the pieces in here, or you could go find some in our shop that you like and fill this up. And this would work well as a journal insert, like in a pocket in your journal, or it would work well on its own if you want to gift it. There's just a lot of fun uses for something like this. So let's go ahead and get this put together. So to begin with, I went ahead and printed the wallet piece on cardstock, and then I flipped it over and put it back to the printer and printed a printable paper on the back that comes with the kit. And that's just so it won't be white on the inside when we fold it and put it together. And then I printed the envelopes on paper, and I think that just works well for giving them a little more pliability. So we're gonna go ahead and cut out and assemble our envelope. So I did not print on the back of my envelopes. You can if you want to, but this is gonna become the inside of our envelope, and so I'm just gonna leave this white. But to start with, we're just basically going to fold it on each of these lines right here. And then we're going to apply glue to these two tabs, and that's going to hold our envelope closed. Okay, and that just becomes our envelope, and we're going to repeat that for all 6 of the envelopes. And now that we've got our envelopes assembled, we're going to go ahead and fold our cover for our ephemera wallet. And basically you just fold it on these dark lines. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add our panel pieces. And they look like this. The 2 larger ones go on the large panels, and this one's for the small panel, and just kind of center it on there. And if you want to, you could add glue just to the sides and the bottom, and that would leave the top open to become a kind of pocket if you wanted it to be. But I'm going to go ahead and just glue mine down. Okay, and then we are going to be ready to decorate. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of fold this bottom piece and fold this top piece, and then this will make it right side up for us, and we can begin to decorate. I've got this cute little like mini garland that I think works well on this smaller piece right here. And you can use other items to decorate. You can use cheesecloth and lace and buttons and any cute little bits and bobs that you want to put in here, little journal words, whatever you want. I'm going to keep it simple and probably just use pieces from the kit. You could also use mounting tape if you want to have a dimensional effect. Oh, and something I forgot before I glue this down is I was going to use a magnet as a closure. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I've got these 2 little tiny magnets, and if you don't want to use a magnet, you could use Velcro dots as a closure, or other items. You could use button closures, whatever you want. I'm going to try to use magnets though. So I'm putting my magnet down, and then I'm going to hide it using this piece here. When you're using magnets, you just want to make sure that you get them on the correct side so that they stay. And then when I decorate here, whatever piece I put near the top, I'll try to use that to hide the magnet as well. So now it's just up to you how you want to decorate your ephemera wallet, whether you want to use, florals and things, whether you want to use these words that say ephemera. You can just layer things however you want. The only thing to keep in mind is that it will fold and it will flip over. So if something's sticking out, you're going to see it on the other side. And then if something's above the fold, it won't be able to fold. So just please keep that in mind as you're decorating. Okay, it looks like I'm going to put this piece kind of where my magnet's going to go, so I'm going to get that ready to hide my magnet. And I just want to double check that I've got it right side up. And while the glue is still a little bit moldable, you can still move your magnet around. So something to think about is maybe trying it out, making sure it actually is going to work. So this is the wallet, and now we're going to go ahead and add our envelopes. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and open this up, and what we're going to do is just take these envelopes, and I'm going to use runner tape. You could just use glue if you want to, but what I'm going to do is just make kind of a stripe right down the center of my envelope, or close to it. And then I'm just going to stack them together with the open side on the same side, so facing the same way. Again, just one stripe straight up the center, and then stacking them in the same direction. And then we're going to attach them to our wallet. You just kind of want to center them in there. And if you want these end pieces to be open like these, you can do the same thing that we did and just apply a straight stripe of glue down instead of gluing the entire piece onto your wallet cover. That's up to you. And then our magnet is holding for now. We'll see how it holds once we fill our wallet with some ephemera. But that is how it works. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we hope you enjoy this project. Give us a like or even subscribe to our channel if you want to see more fun craft projects and junk journal projects. And all the links should be in the video description. We will see you guys next time.